So imagine you wanted to start hacking. You watched a few YouTube videos, but before you started, the guy was like, okay, so you need to use a Linux operating system in order to do this. And like, Linux? Because you are using Windows. Like, what? So I have to scrap Windows and then go and download Linux. Hey, what if I lose my data? That's a big risk, right? But then it's still possible. And you don't have to scrap your Windows operating system at all. You can still run a Linux operating system on your machine by means of a virtual desktop. So with a virtual desktop, you can have multiple instances of multiple machines running on multiple operating systems all on your machine, just that your processor and your storage have to be top notch. You can have an i5 machine and go and run some 3-5 virtual machines. Your physical hardware may crash. So you need a fast processor, a strong one at that, and a large storage, right? And so what that virtual environment will allow you to do is to literally build a machine, give it the storage you want and everything, set it up nicely, and install an operating system on it. In this case, that Linux operating system, whichever brand of Linux you need. You wait a few hours or so and it's done. Now you have that environment for practicing your hacking, right? So you can check out VMware, right? There are others, but this is just my recommendation because I have only ever used VMware and I loved it. It was fun. It was really fun. So hopefully, if you're watching this and you're thinking of, trying something new with the new operating system, try virtual desktop.